How to save your first 1 lakh rupees, even on a low salary. Imagine this. You check your bank account one morning and see a balance of 1 lakh rupees. Not because someone gave it to you, not because you won a lottery, but because you saved it yourself. That moment changes everything. People think becoming wealthy starts with earning a huge salary. But that's not true. Wealth starts with one simple habit: keeping more money than you spend. The first 1 lakh rupees is special because it proves you can control your money instead of letting your money control you. If you're earning 15,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees, or even 50,000 rupees a month, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a practical roadmap to save your first 1 lakh rupees, even if you're starting from zero. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Why your first 1 lakh rupees matters. Most people believe money solves problems. But the truth is, saving money creates opportunities. When you have zero savings, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. A medical bill, a broken phone, a bike repair. Suddenly you're borrowing money, using credit cards, or taking loans. But when you have 1 lakh rupees saved, your confidence changes. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. You make better career decisions. You stop saying yes to jobs you hate just because you need money tomorrow. Savings buy freedom, and freedom is priceless. Chapter 2. The biggest mistake. Most people make people think, I'll start saving when I earn more. That day rarely comes. As income increases, expenses also increase. A bigger phone, better clothes, more subscriptions, more eating out. This is called lifestyle inflation. The solution is simple. Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving, even if it's only 500 rupees. Build the habit first. The amount can grow later. Chapter 3. Know where your money goes. Before saving money, track it for 1 month. Write down every expense: tea, coffee, food delivery, online shopping, streaming apps, everything. Most people are shocked. Small expenses don't look dangerous, but together, they quietly steal thousands of rupees every month. Awareness is the first step to financial growth. Chapter 4. Create a simple budget. Budgeting doesn't mean living a boring life. It simply means giving every rupee a job. Try this simple plan: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investments. If 20% feels impossible, start with 10% or even 5%. Consistency beats perfection. Saving 2,000 rupees every month for years is far better than saving 10,000 rupees once and quitting. Chapter 5. Pay yourself first. This is one of the richest habits in the world. The moment your salary arrives, move money into savings immediately. Don't wait until the end of the month, because there will never be money left. Your expenses will always grow to match your income. Treat savings like a compulsory bill, just like rent or electricity. You never skip those. Don't skip your future either. Chapter 6. Build an emergency fund. Before investing, build protection. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses happen. Your goal should be saving at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses over time. This money isn't for vacations or shopping. It's for emergencies. Having this safety net protects your long-term financial goals. Chapter 7. Increase your income. Saving is powerful, but income growth makes saving easier. Learn new skills: freelancing, content creation, teaching online, graphic design, video editing, coding, writing, photography. Every new skill increases your earning potential. Remember, You can only cut expenses so much, but your income has much more room to grow. Chapter 8. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is equal. Borrowing for unnecessary purchases can slow your financial progress. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I need this, or do I simply want it today? Wait 24 hours before making non-essential purchases. You'll be surprised how many things you decide not to buy. That one habit alone can save thousands every year. Chapter 9. Automate your savings. Remove willpower from the process. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every month. Even if it's only 1,000 rupees, automation builds consistency, and consistency builds wealth. Chapter 10. Your roadmap to 1 lakh rupees. Let's make this practical. If you save 2,000 rupees every month, it takes about 50 months. 5,000 rupees every month. Around 20 months. 10,000 rupees every month. Just 10 months. Don't compare your timeline with someone else's. Your journey is unique. The important thing is moving forward. Chapter 11. Stay motivated. Saving money isn't exciting every day. There will be temptations, sales, discounts, new gadgets, luxury purchases. Ask yourself one question. Will this purchase make my future better, or only satisfy me for today? Successful people think long-term. They delay small pleasures to create bigger opportunities later. That's the real difference. Chapter 12. The mindset. Shift money doesn't make people rich. Habits do. Every wealthy person started with small financial decisions. Saving, learning, growing, repeating. Your first 1 lakh rupees isn't just money. It's proof that you've become someone who manages money wisely. And once you become that person, the second 1 lakh rupees becomes easier. Then the third. Then the 10th. Conclusion. Imagine yourself 1 year from today. Would you rather say, I wish I had started saving, or I'm glad I started? The choice begins today. No matter how small the amount is, start. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more practical videos on money, wealth, and financial habits. Remember, your first 1 lakh rupees isn't the finish line. It's the beginning of your financial freedom.